Hello ma'am, myself Jyoti, and today I will be explaining about shell program. This is all about how to convert in from binary to decimals and hexadecimal, and just vice versa, means hexa to binary decimals and all. So my first program is convert octal to binary hexadecimal and all. So now I'm going to show the program. This is the program to converting decimals to binary, octa and hexadecimal. So here is the code. So first you need to enter the decimals number stored in the D1, and D1 now D1, whatever the inside the D1 it was there, now it transferred to the D2, and now also D2 we need to free it, so it stores in a D3, and we have assigned some values, example for o equal to 0, y equal to 1, b equal to 0 and p equal to 1. This is the local variable actually, while d1 greater than 0, then it will do all these operations, otherwise uh, it will do all these operations. And this is for converting octadecimals, and this is no, this is converting for binary equivalent. And if you see here, for for conversion in binary we need to divide with 2, with anyone. If octal we are doing, need to divide with 8, and hexadecimal 16. Here we are converting from decimals to binary, so we need to divide with the 2. So whatever the value it will be there, it will store in R, and that R value it will consider as a that main 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 variables, and it will convert in the binary equivalent. And now this is the over decimal to binary, and then the second part is to convert hexadecimals. So if hexadecimal is there, you need to divide the number with 16. You could see here the number is divided with because whatever the value we have stored in the, now this is the d2, and that value stores in the in x. So if x equal to a, that means 10. If b 11, 12, because hexadecimals after 10 it starts with the alphabets a b c d e d e f. So after converting, it will show this the hexadecimal numbers, and after decimals you need to divide with the 8 and multiply, and just store all these values, and it will show after decimal. Now I'm going to run this program. We need to enter some decimals value. Now you could see here binary equivalent, and then hexadecimals AE, and octal equivalents. So now my second program is to converting binary number to hexadecimals number and octal numbers, and hexadecimals number. So I'm going to show this program. This is also similar like a first program. You need to convert from binary to, for converting binary to decimals number, you need to multiply that number with the decimals. If it is there, it means that you need to multiply with 10. And so this is all the local variables, and this is while loop. If b is greater than 0, it will do all these operations. First it multiply with first it will divide with 10, and then multiply, and then again multiply with 2, and then 10. These all values they will store. After that it will show the decimal equivalents as similar as like mm, for finding octal and hexadecimals. This is all the same. If 10 equal to x, x equal to a, that means that is the 10, and if x equal to b, that is 11, like that, and then it will show the hexadecimal numbers. And here comes octal equivalent. If d3 is greater than 0, then this all these operations would be happening there, and that value is stored in a WO by this all the local variables. Now I'm going to show how it will run. You need to enter the binary number, so anything you can enter. Now you could see here this is the 10 actually, so it will show in the decimal number it is 10 and hexadecimal A and octadecimal is 12. Now the third equation is like you need to change from octal to binary and hexadecimals and decimals. So you see you have one octal variables and that is read O, and binary value how you will change. Octal is there and the base value will be 8 and the octal value base will be 2, and decimals numbers whatever is there it will store an I base and hexadecimal number, and I base equal to 8 and it's 16. So now I'm going to show this program. Enter the octal number, any number you can enter. You can see here the binary value is this, decimals value is this, and hexadecimal value is B2. The last program is converting from hexadecimal to decimals and binary and then octa value. So hexadecimal as similar as we have seen before. This is the decimals value. Now we are going to change it from the hexadecimal to decimals, octal and binary. So you can see here hexadecimal how we are changing in the decimals. We need to multiply with 16s, and octadecimals first we need to convert into binary number, and we need to select the three parts and then store it, and then binary values it's just divide with the 2. So I'm going to run this program. Hexadecimal value, anything you just give, it will show your decimals value is this, octal is this, and binary value is this. Now my program is running success, compiled and running successfully. Thank you.